Kapoor Saab, you've had a very long run as a star, and also as an actor, you've done many roles, and you also won many awards. But as you look back, you have an image of a very nice, very kind, and a very clean image as a star. But there's hardly any scandals about you. There's hardly any link-ups about you. Don't you see, as you go back and look at it and believe that I should have had more scandals, as many scandals as the roles that you played? Because this image of being a very nice person can be extremely boring, don't you think so?
इसमें जरा आप जो गलियारे में हमें बता रहे थे वो बता दें साहब। नहीं नहीं, आपने जो पूछा ना, गलियारे में भी यही बात हो रही थी, वो बता रहे थे।
I'll tell you what, if this image and this boring and this being nice person or hardworking, if I can be the way I am today, that I have this honor and a privilege to be on stage in front of you all, being interviewed by the great Saurabh Dwivedi, Indian Express, all these people, you being over here, और क्या चाहिए मुझे यार? मेरे कम से कम, I'm going to almost 47 years, 45 years, and being, I still make my own choices. I work with people whom I want to work with, and people who still want to work with me. And so be it. I would love to maintain this image all my life. It doesn't, I know it's great to be a bad boy, and as I was telling him also, मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि प्रीमियर पे मेरे साथ कोई आई कैंडी हो, और kind of a thing. मेरी भी तस्वीरें छपे. My girlfriend is there, at the premiere, at shooting, and this and that, and these kind of things and all. But unfortunately, ये सब मेरे साथ, or fortunately, जो भी है. But I think, in spite of that, I've done pretty well for myself.
जी, ये आखिरी सवाल है आज की शाम का।
Sir, in our law field, it is usually said that time is the ultimate judge. And कई लोग आते हैं, कई लोग चले जाते हैं. हमारे वकालत में भी ये होता है, आपके प्रोफेशन में तो हर प्रोफेशन में ऐसा है कि आए गए, ये for decades altogether. How have you maintained the kind of tremendous relevance that you still hold good? And more so ever, how do you want to be remembered as when people talk about you, say around 50 years down the line? How do you want to be remembered as? That's something which I would like to know.
I don't think so. I think like that. How will I want to be remembered? I focus on the present. And at the moment, my focus is completely, I've done some very exciting work in 2025, starting with Subedar, which is releasing on March 5th. Then I have another exciting show which I'm doing, which is Family Business, which I'm very excited about. And there is a film which I'm doing called Alpha, and the rest which I'm going to do in 26 and 27. So I'm looking at my next decade of how I should, what kind of roles and what kind of films I hope I will do. And I hope filmmakers come to me and offer me those kind of, I want to make films. I'm a producer also. I want to make good films. I want to encourage talent. I want to mentor them. I want to कि मैं जितना मुझे मालूम है इस business के बारे में, as an actor, as a person, as a filmmaker, as a producer, as a whatever my experience, I want to share it with everybody. I want to give back. That way I want to conduct my next 10 years, whatever I can do in my capacity. And staying relevant, obviously, the right choices, not being delusional, changing with time, learning from the youngsters, learning from young actors, observing them, actors who are doing some fantastic young actors like Ranveer Singh, his performance in Dhurandhar, Ranveer's performance in Animal. They were, really very, and Rakesh Bedi in Dhurandhar.
So good.
He was so good in that. Of course, Akshay Khanna साहब जिनके साथ हमने फिल्म बनाई थी गांधी माय फादर, he was also fantastic. And so there's so much to, and the kind of they come very prepared now, they come very prepared with diction, with workshops, and which is so fantastic. Everybody is very committed and wanting to do their best. So much you learn from them also. I keep on learning from everybody, and hopefully I work with them and do some good work in the future. So I think that's what I've done every decade, trying to not chase stardom, but chase good people, good filmmakers, good co-stars, good writers, good content, and travel all over the world, meet good people, be friends, learn from them. That's what I've done. And that's what I'm going to do in the future. Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच अनिल कपूर साहब. एक जफ़र इकबाल का बड़ा कमाल का शेर है, आप ही के लिए लिखा गया है, आप सबको भी नज़र हो. एक ताज़ा तर फितूर मेरे सर में और है, जो कर चुका हूँ उसके सिवा करने आया हूँ. कहनी है दूसरों से अलग मैंने कोई बात, मैं काम कोई सबसे जुदा करने आया हूँ. दैट्स अनिल कपूर फॉर यू. थैंक यू सो मच, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन.
Thank you.